If you have a pickup truck right now, you are so lucky because I'll be sharing with you a couple of side gigs that will help you make at least $30,000 a month. We're talking about $1,000 a daily. Okay, 1 grand daily. That's really good. Okay, now here are the pro tips I want you to pay attention to. So the first thing I want you to think about is becoming a delivery driver. I'm not talking about becoming like a full-time delivery driver. You can be a part-time delivery driver. You can actually be on call. Okay, so basically you take specific loads, specific gigs, specific assignments. This is a great opportunity. And the cool thing is that, I don't care where you are at right now, in your city, in your township, in your county, there are always opportunities for delivery. So it's all about you trying to find out what really works for you. You can try to place ads on Craigslist. You can place ads on those free classifieds, newspapers, whatever. But the thing is, you have to be creative here to see what kind of deliveries that you can actually make with your pickup truck. But there are opportunities. You could do everything. You can actually work for DoorDash, Grubhub, Postmates. You can actually work for local shippers, for local retailers. So the opportunities is there. So you have to be creative. Now, if you want more information about this, just give us, send us a comment, and we'll let you know based on your geography what kind of opportunities are available in your area. The second thing is you can be a ride-share driver. So if you have a pickup truck right now, besides being a delivery driver, you can be a ride-share driver. You can actually, work for companies like Uber or Lyft. Yeah. A lot of folks believe that if you have a pickup truck, you can only work for certain companies. No. You can work for Uber too. You can actually have a Uber, and you can be an Uber driver if you have a pickup truck. It's totally possible. The third thing you can do is you can try to do moving services. In other words, you kind of help people actually move out of their houses to another house, or you can actually work with local businesses to when it comes to moving assignments. The opportunity is there. And the cool thing is local businesses are always looking for pickup truck drivers who can help them move stuff. The thing is that you can't really move certain stuff with a regular car. So you need to have a sturdy car as a pickup truck. So this is kind of cool. So number 1, delivery driver. Number 2, ride-share driver. Number 3, moving services. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. We are going to have a wonderful conversation today. Another way you can make money, you can actually make more than $5,000 per week when you have a pickup truck. And I'm talking here about a side hustle, okay? And is through advertising. The thing is, if your truck is regularly driven in areas with high foot traffic, you can actually make money by renting out advertising space on your truck. In other words, you're actually letting other local business people, entrepreneurs, use your truck as real estate in terms of advertising. You can either sell advertising space directly to local businesses or work with an ad agency that will find advertisers for you. What we have seen in our experiences that it's just a lot easier to actually reach out to ad agencies who have the capabilities, they have the acumen, they have the network to sort of hook you up with local businessmen and businesswomen. Okay, so advertising is another great opportunity for you to make extra cash, and we're talking here about $30,000 per month. And the next thing you want to do here is to actually think about local business deliveries. And we're talking about all kinds of deliveries. Many businesses rely on delivery services to get their products to customers. And the cool thing is if you have a pickup truck, you actually you are in a good position because you can start your own delivery service and work with local businesses for transport, to actually help them transport their goods and other stuff. So the opportunity is there. The next thing you can try is hauling. So hauling is one of the best ways to make money with a pickup truck. With a little creativity, you can haul just about anything. I'm talking here about what? Furniture, appliances, construction materials. You can actually, you name it. It's totally up to you. You have to be creative in your area. And because there's so many items need to be hauled at some point or another, there is always a demand for hauling services. Best of all, you can actually usually charge by the hour or by the job, making it easy for you to price your services according to the level of effort required. So this is totally great, and you can have a rate per mile, a rate per hour, or a rate per contract. It's totally up to you. RPM, RPH, or RPC. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about how to make more than $5,000 per week with a pickup truck side hustle. You can also try to deliver materials to construction zones. The cool thing is that when we talk about construction zone, we're talking about an economic sector that's always in development, and literally, so it always revolving. So they'll always need some kind of some materials, equipment, accessories, you name it. And so construction companies are always in need of materials like concrete, lumber, and bricks. So if you have a pickup truck, you can start a business delivering these materials to construction sites around the area. So we're talking about a potential of $30,000 per month, okay? And again, you can do this as a side hustle, or if you've seen that there is an uptick in revenue, you can just move in full time. So we're talking about you actually driving your pickup truck around and just making some ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. You can also try landscaping services. So the cool thing is with a truck, you can transport all the equipment you need to provide lawn care, leaf removal, and other services. And you can also use your truck to haul away debris after a job is completed. Plus, with a truck, you can actually get to remote jobs that would be difficult to reach with any other type of vehicle. We're talking about a pickup truck being a very sturdy, a very strong, a very very foundationally strong vehicle. They could do a lot of things. So again, you can actually try, you can transport all kinds of equipment. Another thing you can try is appliance repair and delivery. So we're talking about what? So if you're looking for a way to make up to $30,000 a month with your pickup truck, you might want to consider appliance repair and delivery. So it's a great opportunity to use your skills and knowledge to help people in your community. And it can be a very lucrative business. Now, this means what? It means that you need to have some inclination for DIY sort of pursuits. In other words, you have to be good with your hands. You have to be good when it comes to like being a do it as yourself person, and all these things are totally possible. Now, there are a few things you'll need to get started, such as insurance, a valid driver's license, and a truck that's big enough to transport appliances. And you also need to be familiar with appliance repair, and because you'll be the one responsible for fixing any issues that customers might have. But once you've got everything in place, you can start advertising your services and building up your clientele, and it's totally possible. If you have a pickup truck, you can also try to get into the whole thing about towing. You can do towing services. And see, the thing is, when we talk about towing, a lot of folks think about, well, I don't want to tow cars, whatever. I don't want to work with law enforcement to tow people's cars. No, towing, you can tow a lot of stuff. This is not just about helping law enforcement sort of tow people's cars. With a towing service, you can help people who have broken down on the side of the road, or who need to move a large item from one location to another. And the great thing about this business is that it's always in demand. There are people who need help getting their cars towed or moving heavy objects. And because you are providing a service that is needed, you can charge a premium for your services. You can also try hauling scrap metals. And hauling scrap metals is one of the best ways to make money with a pickup truck. You can find scrap metals just about anywhere, from abandoned construction sites to old factories. And because metal is so heavy, see, the whole thing is metal is really heavy. So you don't have a lot of cars that are sturdy enough to actually haul metal. So because metal is so heavy, you can usually get a good price for hauling it away. And so plus there is no need to sort or process the metals. So you can simply load them up and take them to the nearest recycling center. And so just be sure to check the prices before you head out, as metal prices can fluctuate quickly. So be very aware of that. And one thing I want to say is that, if your mission is to actually reach the 30 grand a month as a side hustle, you got to be creative. We're talking about you being creative all the time. Okay. And you can actually start a trash hauling service too, if you're trying to make some extra cash. And this can be an especially profitable venture. Let's say if you live in an area with a lot of construction sites, because see, construction sites always generate a lot of debris, a lot of garbage. Okay, and construction companies often need someone to haul away debris, and they are willing to pay good money for this service. In addition, you can also offer your services to, let's say, homeowners and businesses who need help getting rid of large items and furniture. We're talking here about furniture, appliances, and even trees. Those can be hauled away for a fee. This is kind of important. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about how to make $30,000 a month with a pickup truck side hustle. And I'm just giving you a few ideas you can implement right now. You can also try to dab into the whole firewood delivery thing. If you live in an area with a lot of trees, then there is a great chance that you have thought about starting a firewood delivery service, right? And for good reason. Think about it. Selling firewood is a great way to make money with a pickup truck. Not only is it a relatively easy business to get started, but there's also a ready market for it. Think about it. In most cases, all you need to get started is a truck and some basic woodworking equipment. And if you're willing to put in the work, you can easily build up a thriving firewood delivery service. You can also try snow plowing. I mean, if you're trying to really, if you want to, let's say, but this you can say, but this is more seasonal, right? Snow. It's really, when you think about snow, it has to be seasonal, right? We're talking about winter. But hey, listen, this is actually a great opportunity to make extra cash, okay? And the thing is that, when demand for those services is typically high in the winter, then you can actually get into that. But in order to be successful, though, it's important to price your services competitively and to offer a prompt professional service. You also need to invest in some basic equipment such as snowplow, shovels, and salt. So those are really important accessories to think about. Another way to actually make money is to rent out your truck. See, the whole thing is you don't have to work. See, we're talking about 30 grand a month, right? But you don't have to be at the wheel driving all the time. You can actually be home chilling with your family and actually rent out your truck and still make money. If you've got a pickup truck, you can put it to work for you by renting out to people who need a pickup truck for moving or other services, but you might not be, available to do the actual driving. So this is a great way to earn some extra cash, and it can even turn into a full-time income if you are especially busy. First of all, you'll need to advertise your services, that's for sure. You can do this by putting up some flyers in local businesses, or let's say by creating a website or blog. And once you've got some customers, be sure to treat them well so they'll come back to you next time they need a truck. And so keep your truck clean and in good working order, and be punctual and professional with each rental. And the good thing is, if you actually provide great service, you are sure to find that renting out your truck is a great way to make money, extra cash. Give you a bonus here. If you're still here with me, I want to share with you a few other tips that will help you get, like, if you want to start a business with your pickup truck right now. There are a lot of things you can do, but it's really important to really think about the equipment first. You need to get your truck ready with the right equipment. We're talking about the proper equipment. So once you have decided on the type of business you'd like to start, it's time to get your truck ready for action, right? So if you're going to be using your truck or for hauling or deliveries, for instance, be sure to invest in some quality racks or shelves to keep your cargo secure. And if you are starting a landscaping business, and you have to think about outfitting, because outfitting your truck with the proper tools and equipment is essential. Whatever type of business you are starting, make sure that your truck actually is up for the task. So it's not just about saying, I want to start this business, I want to start that business. But the question is, do you have the right kind of equipment? Do you have the right kind of accessories for the business? And so once you actually are ready in terms of having the foundational equipment that you need, you need to really do a lot of promotion. You got to promote nonstop. Starting a new business can be tough, so it's really important to let people know that you are open for business. Advertise in local publications, put out flyers around town, and make use of social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter, now called X. You have to actually try Craigslist also. Be creative. I mean, you got to really look at all the outlets there are available locally, because when we talk about pickup truck business, we're speaking about something very local. So you want to make sure that you are available. You are basically advertising your business locally. And so whatever type of business you're starting, make sure that your truck is actually available and the whole services are advertised properly. And you can also include your contact information on the side or back of your truck so that people actually know how to reach you when they need your services. And get insured. Okay, I mean, if you're going to have a business, we're speaking about something very serious here. So you want to have a business. I mean, you want to have insurance. And before you start running your business out of your pickup truck, it's important to make sure that you are properly insured. This this will actually protect you and your customers in case of any accidents or injuries that may occur while you are working. So insurance, 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 and please have the proper coverage to not be underinsured. So once you have all those things, it's about time that you start paying attention to being professional. Okay, professionalism means what? Professional means that you're offering quality service. It means that you are punctual. It means that you really treat your customers well. You see, you have to understand when we talk about pickup truck business or any other business for that matter, you have to show up and you have to show your customers that you really care about them, and not just care about your customers that like they're the kind of job they gave you, but also care about them, themselves. See, when we talk about pickup truck, you are delivering folks, you are hauling stuff for people, and people sort of take these things really seriously. If somebody were to tell you, listen, I want you to deliver this furniture for me. This is an important furniture in the family. It has some kind of symbolic history, and if you deliver it well, you have to understand this delivery. It's not just furniture delivery. It has a symbolic attachment to it. So if you're able to take care of it and really treat your customers properly, you are building up goodwill that you can actually parlay into future relationships and future business opportunities. It's all about generating revenue in the long run. In the short run, but also in the long run. So be very careful that every job that you have can be a potentially I would say a stepping stone into a next job. And what I want to say is that you want to offer quality service because it takes time to build a relationship. It takes credibility. It takes trust to build a relationship. When it comes down to it, providing quality service is what will really help your new business thrive. Whether you are delivering goods or providing a service like landscaping, plumbing, or electrical work, always aim to exceed your customers' expectations. We're talking about making sure that you are exceeding your customers' expectations. It's not just about, hey, you know what? They ask you to do something, you just get it done. No, you have to go above. You have to go beyond what they're asking you to do, so that you can actually not only do the job but also excel. You have to please the customer. And let's say by delivering a quality results time after time, you will build trust with your clients and establish yourself as a go-to source in your field. And that's exactly what any new business needs to do in order to succeed. Okay, so really careful here. You have to be creative. You have to really adapt your strategy, your pickup truck strategy to your local trends. You know more than anybody else what's happening in your area, what's happening in your zip code, what's happening in your state, what's happening in your county. So it's up to you to adapt your strategy to the local needs. And you know everything about the local reality more than anybody else. This is why you have to constantly adapt. You can't say, I think now I've known everything, I can just get started. No, you have to constantly adapt your strategy to local realities. Attention, I really appreciate it. Let's quickly recap to this conversation here. So I was just talking to you about how to make $5,000, at least $5,000 a week with a pickup truck side hustle. So you can be a delivery driver, a rideshare driver. You can offer moving services, advertising, local business deliveries. You can do hauling. You can do a delivery of materials to construction zones, landscaping services, appliance repair and delivery, towing services, hauling scrap metals. You can start a trash hauling service. You can think about firewood delivery, snow plowing, and you can also try renting out your truck. Totally possible. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.